Hey there, if you're like me, you've been watching Facebook delete pages like crazy, even pages that have no community standards broken, but they're saying they do. Twitter, of course, is ripping down profiles as fast as people can put them up. So I've been looking for a new place to go, and I've been checking out Telegram. So this is Telegram right here. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, I'm going to set up a new channel. I've never done this, so let's do this together. And just so you know, Telegram just surpassed 500 million active users. In January, they had 90 million new users join. But keep in mind, if you are US based and you want US people, the U.S. represents less than 2% of their users. So you might want to keep that in mind. As far as my card channel goes, that's okay. So let's go ahead and see if we can set up a channel. I hope so, or I'm going to look pretty silly. So here we are on Telegram, and we're going to go all the way up to the upper left, the three lines. When we click this open, it says new channel. Now, if you are just a member, you can follow channels. You can get contacts and send messages back and forth. But to post to the general public, you have to have a channel. So we're going to come down here, new channel. And we need a channel name. Let's see if I can put that on there. And we'll get us a little description here. And we'll create. We're going to make it a public channel. And the link should be, I hope I can get, there we go. I can get it. And I'm not going to add members because, so we're going to skip this. And I guess I have a channel. Okay, so I need to get this a image and things put up. So what we're going to do is go up here to where it says off the jacks. And when we click that, here's your channel info. I'm going to go over here because I want at least an image. Let me see here. There we go. And save. I'm going to try to add an image. Click here. I'm going to put this 61 Bel Air. We'll add a caption. And we'll send out. And there we go. Now we have our first post. That's actually pretty easy. It took me a minute to figure out how to add the image for the avatar, but now I can go in and I can start posting here. It may not be my target audience. I don't even know if anybody's there, but what the hell? Can't hurt anything. I can share links, images, videos. You're limited to the size, but I'm going to give it a go, and at least I'm trying. So be sure to jump over to Telegram and follow my car channel if you love cars. If you want to know how to schedule posts on Telegram, I've got a video showing you how to do that. Be sure and check it out. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.